Magnetic effect of electric current. Class 10 Physics. Today we have one more important chapter of Class 10 Physics, that is the magnetic effect of electric current. Coming to the chapter. Seriously, it is a very important topic. Very wonderful topic. See, before we go to the chapter, let us try to understand one thing. Imagine this is your conductor. It is a copper wire. So, electric current I is flowing through this conductor. When it flows through a conductor, you know what? Electric conductor can generate or create three important effects. Can you tell me what are the three things the electric current can produce when it is traveling through a conductor? Let me mention them. It can generate heating effect. You all remember the word heating effect. We have covered it in the electricity chapter, right? So, whenever current flows in a conductor, heat is generated. So, what is the reason behind heat generation? Collision of atoms, impurities, and many more things. When electrons collide, automatically heat is liberated. That way, we can use the heating effect. Heat products such as certain electrical appliances in our houses like electric iron, oven, electric heater, all of them will work based on the heating effect of electric current. And the second effect is chemical effect. See, electricity can be a reason for chemical effect. There are some reactions. See, if you want to break water into hydrogen and oxygen, can you break H2O water easily? H2O is a stable compound, isn't it? It is very difficult to break H2O. But we can break water with the help of electricity. That means we are using electricity to conduct the chemical reaction. We call these reactions electrolysis. Yes or no? So, electrolysis in the sense we are breaking some molecules with the help of electricity. So, this is what we mean by chemical effect. Clear? Fine. And the final and important effect is the magnetic effect. So, what is this magnetic effect? We will study in this chapter. The entire thing about the magnetic effect is discussed in this chapter. Whenever current flows in a conductor, it produces three effects which are beneficial to mankind. Heating effect, chemical effect, magnetic effect. So, one interesting thing happened long ago is, it is a small story. Try to remember this. Hans Christian Ørsted, you know, he is a famous scientist. Actually, he said that whenever electricity flows in a conductor, they create a magnetic field. He has done an experiment. He has a circuit. He has a battery, wire, switch and a bulb. Using this, he had set up an electric circuit. Simple electric circuit. It is a circuit. We all know current flows from positive end to negative end. It is a conventional current direction. So, what he observed was, when the current was flowing, he observed magnetic fields getting generated. That is, magnetism is generated. How did he know that a magnetic field was generated when current was flowing in a conductor, he got to know with the help of a compass. What do you mean by a compass? Compass is a device which is used in case of navigation. If you want to know the directions, say for example, you are traveling by sea. If you want to know in which direction you are there, east, west, north or south, compass is helpful. Compass is one which shows a clear direction. So, what does a compass look like? It will have a magnetic needle. Students, the compass will always face south to north. Needle is actually a magnet. By chance, a compass needle was placed near the circuit set up by him. When he on the switch, current started flowing in the wire. The moment the current reached the compass needle, there was a deflection in the needle. The direction of the needle changed. Needle started vibrating. He was wondering what was happening there. That means something is getting produced when current is passing there. One magnet can attract another magnet. Imagine you have two magnets. Attraction and repulsion takes place between the two magnets. If the compass needle shakes, that means there is some attraction and repulsion. So something is created in the area where current is flowing. This means that some magnetic field is generated around the conductor. So this was the invention of magnetism in the electric field. He concluded that whenever an electric current passes through a conductor, a magnetic field is generated. So what is the conclusion? Whenever a current flows in a conductor, magnetic field is generated. There is a connection between magnetism and electricity. So these two basic points are very important that you have to remember. So like this, the magnetic effect of electric current was invented by Hans Christian Ørsted. Study well, revise the concept. Thank you very much.